Everyone, this is Sundar Firdaus. Today we will see Python operators. What are the Python operators? They are the special symbols used to perform operations on variable and values. They are of 6 types. First one is arithmetic, second is comparison, third one is logical, fourth one is assignment, fifth one is membership, and sixth one is identity. Let's understand it one by one. First, look into the arithmetic operator. So, arithmetic. Okay. So what it will do? It is used for mathematical calculations. Let's understand it. Let's understand it with the help of the code. Let me take a variable, assign 10 value into it, then taking b variable, assign value 5. Now, using print function to perform the operation, I am using here the symbol, this plus operator. Now, let me copy this code. Okay. Okay. So I'm using here minus multiplication sign, that is asterisk sign, multiplication. Here is division operator, and here is modulus, and double asterisk means exponential, this exponent operator, and here I'm using floor division. Okay, it is used for addition, it is used for subtraction, and it is used for multiplication. It is used for division, it is used for modulus, it is modulus, remainder. Okay, and here it is exponent. Okay, means power, and here floor division, that is quotient. All right, let's understand it. If I run this code, see, here it is doing in first, it's doing addition. Okay, then it is doing subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then modulus. Modulus means remainder. If you divide 10 by 5, so you will get 0 remainder. Now here in exponent, so it is 10 to the power 5. So here it is 1 lakh. And here I am using this floor division. It will return you quotient. If you divide 10 divided by 5, so you will get 2 as a quotient. And one more difference, if you notice here, this is floor division and this is division operator. So what's the difference between these two? As you can see here, I am getting float data type for division operator, and for floor division I am getting int data type. Okay, so that's the difference. This will take only the whole part. Okay, whole number it will take, and here for division it will take the decimal number as well, means float, it will be of float data type. And this last one, this floor division operator, it will take whole number, it means it will of integer data type. So that's the main difference. Okay, now move on to next. that is comparison operators. It is used to compare values and return true or false. Okay, now let's understand with the help of the code. Try. Here I'm using print function and writing A is equal to B. Okay, I'm using the same A and B here. All right, now let's see what I will get. I'm getting false here. Okay, now let me do the same. Copy V A. 1 second here. Okay. Okay. Let me run the code. Here I'm using double equal to sign. That means it will compare the value. If you use a single equal to sign, it is used for assigning the value. Double equal to sign, compare the value. So 10 equal to 5. So it is not equal. So it return me false. Second is 10 is not equal to 5. That is true. So it returns me true. Either of the condition must be true. So it will return true. Here a is greater than 5 means 10 is greater than 5. True. 10 is smaller than 5. That is false. And here 10 is greater than or equal to 5. So either of the condition is true. It is, although it is not equal, but 10 is greater than 5. So it will return me true. This one. Okay. And here the last 10 is smaller or equal to 5. Both the condition are false. So it return me false. Now move on to next operator. That is logical operator. Is used to combine conditions. Okay, let's see. It is true. Let me yeah. Here I am taking y is equal to false. Now what I will do here, I will use logical operators. Logical operators means and or not, and or not. Okay, so I will use these operators inside print function for both the operand x and y. Print x for y. Here print not x. Okay. Now let me run the code. See why it returns me false. Here if either of the condition, either of the value is false, it will return false for and operator. Okay. If either of the condition is true, so it will return me true. And for not, it will just reverse the value. For example, if x is equal to true, so my output will be x is equal to false. Okay. So this is what I got as an output. Now move on to next operator. That is assignment operator. Yeah. Now what it will do now? Here I'm assigning the value to the a variable. Okay. So this part is covered. Now what is updating the values? Let's see. A plus equal to 5. Now what does that mean? It means a is equal to a plus 5. Okay. This is what it means. I just wrote it in short form. Now a minus equal to 2. What does that mean? A equal to a minus 2. Okay. Now a asterisk equal to 2. What does that mean? A equal to a 2. Okay. Now, so this is how we can update the values. Now move on to next. That is membership operator. Okay. What membership operator doing is here. So it is used to check if a value exists in a sequence. Okay, let me check it. Let me take one example num 1, 2, 3. Okay, membership operators are of two types. Sorry, in, not in. Okay, so what it will basically do, it will check the value that value is present. That value is present inside the list or tuple or set or not. Okay, so in, if it is present inside the list, tuple, set or dictionary, so it will return me true. If it is not present, then it will return me false. For that we will use not in operator. Okay, let's understand with the help of the example. Like I'm printing here 2 in nums. Okay, let me clear the output. So it returns me true because 2 is present inside the list. Now let me check value that is not present inside it. It returns me false. Let me copy this line, copy, and here I will use not in. Let's check. Here it returns me true because this statement is true that 5 is not present inside the num, means it is not present inside the list. Okay, now move on to next operator. This is the last one. This one is identity operators. it is used to compare memory location. So we can compare it with the help of is not, with the help of these two operators, is and is not operator. We'll understand with the help of the code. Okay, so here I'm taking A and creating a list, assigning the value. Now A is equal to B. Now print A is B. Let me comment this. Okay. So here what I'm checking, like I have assigned the value of A to the B variable. Now what will be my output? Is the memory location is same for both A and B variable? Let's check. It is true. And here I will use V is not. So it will return me false. Okay. Now I need to share few important points. Let me write it. Okay. Few important tips. Okay. So double equal to operator is used to compare values. Okay. And is operator from identifying from identity operator. It is used to compare memory locations. Okay. Now I need to discuss membership operator for dictionary. This one is for list. Okay. And I need to discuss for list. Sorry, for dictionary. How it will work. How membership operator will work with dictionary. So let me create a list, a dictionary. Now I want to print name in student. Okay, let me comment this. Okay, and run it. See, I got true. Okay, so in membership operator, it will by default check the key that is present inside the dictionary. Okay, but it will not by default check the value that is present inside the dictionary. And also it will not check key value pair as well by default. Okay, so if I want to check, let me show you the example. If I want to check Sundus in student, it will return me false. See, it will not by default check the value that is present inside the dictionary. Okay, so what I will do now, I will use dot values function. So let me show you. Print Sundus. I'm using again membership operator. Setting student dot values. Okay. Now, if let me first clear this. See, now I got true. Previously, I got false. Okay, because it will not check the value by default with the help of membership operator. But if you use dot values method, so it will check the value that is present inside the dictionary. And I will do same for key value pair. Okay, now if I want to check name and value, let me put it inside bracket. Okay. Okay, now membership operator, now student dot items. Now let's see what will be written me. Again, I got true. Okay, so this is how you will check the key value pair and the value that is present inside the dictionary. By default, it will only check the key that is present inside the dictionary. Okay, so let me write a note. Sorry. Okay, so in operator, in operator in dictionary always checks the key by default. If you want to check the value, key value pair, so you need to use these methods. Okay, now if I now let's check the set, how it will work with set. Now let me create a set. My set, sorry, my set. Okay, now let me create set. Okay, now what I will do, print, let me see, 50 is not not in my set. Let me first comment these. So it returns me true, because as you can see 50 is not present inside the set. So this condition is true. Okay, now if I print 20 in my set, now what I will get here, I got true, because as you can see here 20 is present inside the set. Okay, so this is for dictionary. Let me uncomment it. Okay, and okay, let me show you one tuple example also. Okay, how it will work with tuple. So let me create tuple. Now I want to print 20 not in my tuple. Okay, okay, clear the output. See, I got false. Why? Because this statement is false. How? 20 is present inside the tuple, but I am using here not in. So it should not be present inside this number should not present inside the tuple, but it is present, so it returns me false. Okay. So this is for tuple. Now I will uncomment it, or I can show you one more example for in. How it will work. 20 in my tuple. Okay. Now it gave me true. Okay, because 20 is present inside tuple. All right. So let me uncomment all these code. Okay, so this is membership operator. Okay, this is all I want to discuss. So that's all for this video. If you like my video, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more Python tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.